JCID.projector flex cable new Ad 13 series. In this video we demo with iPhone 13 to show how to repair Face ID with JCID.projector flex cable. The video consists of 4 parts. It not only demonstrates the operation process of .projector data migration, disassembly of the original flex cable, and soldering JCID flex cable, also shows how to install the repaired .projector flex cable back into the phone and check whether the repair is successful. This iPhone 13's Face ID is not available. Turn off the phone. Disassemble it and take out the cable. Stick insulating tape to protect the front camera and infrared lens. Use B1S, B1SE, Pro 1000S to detect the flex cable. Save the original .projector data. Burn the data into JCID flex cable. Cut the iron frame according to the marked position. Heat with an air gun at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 seconds. Remove the iron frame. Remove the original chip. Short circuit MOS tube. Remove the original flex cable. Deliming. Rebolling. Soldering JCID flex cable. Contraposition. Glue dispensing and fixing. Install the cable back into the phone. Turn the phone on. Turn on the front camera and adjust its portrait mode to confirm whether the natural light is normal. Set Face ID. Input is normal. Lock the phone screen. Press the power button. We could see the Face ID unlocking successfully.